go ahead to test it end to end. We will still maintain this address. This is specify the address. I think it's the create shipment. Right, so the seller is 09B. 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 This is seller. Then I should be able to connect. Refresh. I have 09B. So I had the tracker. I had the tracking, I had the shipment, so I get the address of the seller. Here's the seller. Let me pick maybe 4 as the so the distance. Let me do 40 kilometers. That is somewhere that I'm paying 7 bits, for example. So once I create, trigger the confirmation. Then I can see again that I have another shipment, so I can just check here too. Should not be paid. Should not be paid. Should not be paid. See the benefit of end-to-end testing of the application now. It should not be paid. It should not be paid. Alright, let's do this. Shouldn't be the shipment details. Let's see what we are doing with the list. Delivery dates. Using delivery dates. And then we are also using the delivery date here. Oh, I'm updating it directly. Using directly here, so definitely it should be true by default. Let me see if I change this. This page should work. This page should work. Why is it not working? Okay, I think it's working now. So 1 0 0 1 2. Right, working now. So we're still going to do one more end-to-end testing, but let's just continue. So let's assume the logistics provider want to start this. So who is this? Who is the logistics provider now? So I'm going to bring that under the create shipment 097E 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 097E. So let me see sure logistics provider is connected. You can see that 7 has been removed from the balance of the seller. So 097E. So I want to start the shipment now. Let me start shipment number. Let me try to start shipment that has been completed. So you can see fail to pick up the shipment. So if I do 2 now, starts. Yeah, that one is still in good condition to be picked. So I did that, and now you can see that the status will change to pick up. So you can also check it again and see that the status change here too. I'm gonna put the status here. Right, so let's now complete it, and then we'll do one more. Then we'll be ready to finalize the application. So the buyer is 05E. Let's try to complete it by let's try the logistics provider try to complete it. Let's see what we're going to be having. You can see failed to confirm delivery. It has to be done by the receiver. who is the receiver? 05E. So I need to switch the account. To 05E. So if I refresh, now we have 05E, so I can go ahead to receive. Even if we try to confirm, you can see failed to confirm delivery, just to be the one that has not been confirmed before. You can see it's working as we want it to work. So yeah, there you go. You can see that if you check it now, you see that the money has been transferred to the balance of the logistics provider. And one last end-to-end testing, then we will be done with this class. So let's switch to the seller again. Let's switch row now. Let's say this is the logistics provider. Let the last one be the seller. Alright, so 5E is the seller now. So let him or her add the tracking, and then I get the address of the receiver. Let the date be, did I drop it to be 10? Because seller will always want their stuff to be dropped. Let me do 10 this time around. Let's get it. So this person will make the payment, confirm. We sure it's their real. Very nice one. But while we make it to be real, let's just work on our skills. Now that we have been able to do that, so you can see that the status has changed to created. So let the logistic provider start the shipments. Of course, the seller can also ask the logistic provider, but let's just split the row. 0x9b, 0x9b, 0x9b. Let's refresh to be sure that has been connected. So we start the ID. It's what? 3. Confirm. See, it has been picked up from created. Now we want to check it. 3. That's it. Payment has not been made. So let's say I want to go ahead to confirm. Well, say sorry, you can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that. So let's switch to the receiver now. 97E, 97E. That's the receiver. So we refresh to be sure it's connected. So complete. So ID, this is it here. So you can see we're able to confirm our status, the application, then we are good. You can see all deliver, and that is it for our blockchain power supply chain management, where we are able to keep track. If you check your energy, for example, sorry for interrupting, see that the balance has been transferred to the logistic provider from the seller. Don't know which one they're using as one now. I think this is it. So balance has been transferred. I think this is it. 10. You're moving 10. So we have been able to design and implement a blockchain power supply chain management where we can create shipments all on the blockchain. We can update the shipments, we can transfer the money, keep the money in escrow, all without too much human involvement. And this will definitely make the supply chain management system to be transparent as nobody can tamper with the blockchain, and it's also an immutable, a permanent record where if there's a day to resolve any conflicts in the future, then the record will always be there and it will not be doctored by any human because it is stored on the blockchain. On that note, we have come to the end of this class and recording session.